Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Checking the 1-hour Bitcoin chart, I told you yesterday that the price action looks like it's climbing a stairway, but just before entering the red short liquidation leverage box, it got rejected and dropped back to the red horizontal at 105K. That horizontal held as a local bottom, and the price bounced right back up. Now, we're once again heading toward the yellow horizontal at 106.5K and into the red liquidation zone, which could easily pull Bitcoin up to 112K. Now, if we switch over to the 3-day liquidation heat map, the picture becomes very clear. Upside is looking way more attractive right now. Two hot pockets of short leverage sit at 106.5K and 108.6K. The one at 108.6K was already visible yesterday, but the heat cluster at 106.5K just built up today, a fresh magnet for price. Looking at the ETF inflows, the numbers were incomplete yesterday, with only 62.7 million total, and BlackRock's data missing. I told you I expected over 100 million. Well, BlackRock came in strong with 239 million, pushing Friday's total ETF inflows to 301.7 million. Beautiful data. I hope you're playing the market accordingly. In other breaking news, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce just confirmed that all banks can now offer Bitcoin services. Yes, banking as we know it just changed forever. Are you paying attention to what's happening? Also worth noting, as of May 2025, 19.6 million Bitcoin have already been mined. That's over 93% of the total supply. That leaves only around 1.4 million Bitcoin yet to be mined, but those coins will enter the market very slowly. Bitcoin's supply schedule is exponential due to the halving mechanism. When Bitcoin launched in 2009, the block reward was 50 Bitcoin. Every 210,000 blocks, or about every 4 years, that reward gets cut in half. That's why the distribution curve gets flatter and flatter, and supply shocks become more dramatic over time. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next one.